Hello and welcome to Full of Food. The very first thing I wanted to cook when my new Ninja flexdrawer arrived was a roast chicken. The huge tray on this model is a game changer. In this video I've kept things simple, resulting in a succulent traditional roast, but you could spice things up. The possibilities are endless. Full list of ingredients is in the description. So let's get on to those ingredients. Like I said, we're going to be really simple here. I've got a large chicken, I've got some onions, celery and a couple of carrots in there. I'm going to use those veg to put the chicken on top, and I'm going to make a nice oil flavoured with really simple black pepper and some lovely fresh lemon juice. So let's get this started. We're going to use the Ninja flexdrawer. It's got this huge drawer, which means that you can get that whole chicken in there. And like I said, I'm using a large one here. It's such a good machine. I can't wait to cook things like big pieces of beef and pork as well. So getting on to the method. Grab your onions, you're just going to give them a peel. Grab your celery, you're just going to chop into chunks here. It doesn't need to be smart. We're just using these vegetables for some flavour. So nice big chunks. They're going to sit underneath the bird, so as it roasts, all those juices will drip down into them, and it will mean that their flavours will then go up into the bird. So grab your carrots, give them a quick peel. To be honest, you could leave the peel on if you give them a good wash, especially if you're using organic carrots. Again, nice big chunks. We just want this to act as like a base for our chicken. So just going to pop those into a little dish, clear them out the way, so that we can get on to the main part, which is that lovely roast chicken. So like I said, I'm keeping this really simple and I'm just making a flavoured oil. So I'm just using some fresh lemon juice, so half a lemon there. I'm also going to just chop up this lemon to pop underneath the bird as it cooks, just add that little bit more flavour. And then I'm just going to add some olive oil. So here I've got half a cup measure, which is 60 mils. So I'm just going to pop that nice olive oil in with that lemon juice, and then we're going to add a really good crack of black pepper. So lemon pepper oil, like I said, possibilities are endless here. You could use anything you wanted, any herbs or spices you've got. So large chicken here, going to go into our flexdrawer. Take that middle section out, so you're going to make it one big tray. That's a really brilliant design there, I love it. And these trays, these are the crisper trays, and we leave them in because they're obviously going to help crisp up our bird. So big crisper trays left in the bottom. So first thing is we're going to take those vegetables and we're going to just pop them into the bottom of the tray. A couple of bits of lemon in there as well. And like I said, we're going to sit our bird on top here. So grab that bird. This is a large chicken. It's just going to go in there. I'd like to leave it untied because then I can squash it down a little bit so that it doesn't touch the top of the air fryer. And then my lovely lemon and pepper oil, I'm just going to drizzle all the way over. Make sure that it's really rubbed nicely into those chicken breasts. There we go, that's poured all over. And then what I like to do at the end is just put a little bit of extra black pepper just to give a really nice bit of flavour there. So in we go into the air fryer. Now we're actually going to use the roast function on this because we're obviously doing a roast chicken. So we're going to pop the bird in, and then we're going to choose our roast function, and we're going to use the mega zone, which is that middle bit, which means that the whole of the air fryer is heated up, 190, and we're going to do it for about 60 minutes. You might want to check it as it goes through. Top tip is to flip the bird halfway through and then flip it back over again. So here I've got it up the right way. It's been going for about 25-30 minutes, and I'm just going to flip it over, and that just means that you get that even cooking and the juices run all the way through the meat. So they're not just settled at the bottom, they're running all the way through the meat. Okay, so here we go. We flipped it back for the last bit of cooking. There it is. Lovely, perfect, simple roast chicken with that lovely crispy skin, done in that Ninja flexdrawer in just that one tray. And it was so easy, ready in an hour. Lovely crisp skin you can see there. Perfect for a midweek meal or for your traditional Sunday roast. So just a little slice here. See what it looks like inside. Like I said, that turning of the bird means that you get those lovely juices, and it's lovely and soft and moist inside.